how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk to you about various types of oyster mushrooms apart from white oysters. Pleurotus citrinophyllatus or the golden oyster mushroom are brilliant yellow or golden in color. This mushroom imparts a nutty flavor upon thorough cooking. The caps are golden to bright yellow, often depressed at center with recurrent gills with white stems attached centrally to the caps. They grow on logs and stumps, but they can also be grown on straw, cottonseed hull, and sawdust. The temperature requirements are 25 to 30 degrees Celsius with relative humidity between 90 to 100%. Pleurotus jamor. The pink oyster mushrooms are fast-growing mushrooms. They are most commonly occurring species in pan-tropical regions. They are very aggressive in terms of growing and can flourish on a wide variety of base materials. They are also known as salmon oyster, strawberry oyster, flamingo oyster mushroom due to its brilliant pink color. The growth parameters require temperatures between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius with humidity between 95 to 100%. They spoil rapidly and thus should be picked when moderately young and sold immediately fresh after harvest. It is better to sell them dry to avoid spoilage risks. Pleurotus eryngi. The king oyster mushrooms are the largest species in the genus and hence its name. The cap can vary from 3 to 12 centimeters in diameter. They are also the best tasting oyster mushrooms. They normally grow on hardwood and thus they are easy to grow. They are well deserved of their title the king as they require incubation temperatures of up to 24 degrees Celsius with relative humidity up to 95%. It gives two crops 14 days apart. With sufficient nutrients, they become quite large. Pleurotus pulmonarius. The phoenix oyster or Indian oyster mushrooms are virtually identical to the Pleurotus oyster species. They are also known as dhingri in northern parts of India. The caps of Indian mushrooms are convex at first and then expand to flat or often wavy with age. These strain forms 5 to 6 mushroom cluster and have a thin flesh. They grow in temperatures of up to 29 degrees Celsius with relative humidity 90 to 100%. They grow very quickly and thus its harvest time is critical. The king tuber oyster mushroom. The king tuber or Pleurotus tuberrigium are an unusual species that resembles a classic shaped oyster. It has a large tuber-like sclerotium and an identical model to understand the sclerotia in a mushroom life cycle. These species are distributed throughout the tropical regions in the world. They generally grow on logs that are decayed or on buried roots of deciduous trees. They are temperature tolerant and can grow in 25 to 35 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 90 to 100%. Their sclerotia have medicinal properties and have been used to treat skin diseases, heart disease, diabetes, and stomach disorders in Africa. Pleurotus fastidiosus. The abalone mushrooms are the most interesting mushrooms and have a unique biology. These species are dimorphic. They have both sexual and asexual life cycle. The spores appear white and fluffy at first but then seem contaminated as black droplets of bundled spores form. The most common natural substrate is maple, dead or decaying. They require 24 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature with relative humidity 90 to 95%. These were some types of oyster mushrooms which are also popular for cultivation. Do tell me in the comments which one of them was your favorite. See you guys in the next video. Happy mushrooming. Stay tuned.